Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and in good health. Today, I will listen about direct speech and reporting words. So, please open your workbook, page 8. Open your workbook, page 8, and pay attention with me to start our lecture. Do you remember direct speech? Direct speech involves quoting the exact words or the exact statement or the exact question by the person that uttered by the person within quotation marks or within speech marks. Again, direct speech means quoting the exact words or the exact statement or the exact question, as we have here, that uttered by the person or by the speaker within quotation marks or speech marks. This punctuation is called speech marks or quotation marks. Okay. Punctuation marks means علامات الترقيم. Punctuation marks means علامات الترقيم. Okay. Do you remember when we said in the class that when we have a statement, this is a statement, and this statement within quotation marks or speech marks, that this statement quoted exactly from its speaker. Robert is the speaker of this statement. Robert is the speaker of this statement. Robert said, "Those soldiers look very fierce." Who said this statement? Who can tell me? Yes, Robert. Excellent. Robert said this statement that those soldiers look very fierce. Please pay attention to the punctuation marks here. We have speech marks. Or we can call them quotation marks. علامات الاقتباس, quotation marks or speech marks. And here we have comma, then the speaker of this statement said Robert, or we can call them reporting words. We can call the speaker of this statement reporting words. We have said, then the speaker, Robert. Then we have at the end full stop. This punctuation is called full stop. Okay. We can see the reporting words. At the end of this statement. This is a statement, as we said. We can see the reporting words at the end of the statement, or we can see the reporting words at the beginning of the statement, or we can see the reporting words in the middle of the statement. Statement means sentence. If I say sentence means statement, or if I say statement, I mean sentence. Okay. Again, we can see the reporting words at the end of the statement, or at the beginning of the statement, or in the middle of the statement, or in the middle of the sentence. Okay. Granddad said, this is called reporting words. Granddad is the speaker of this statement. Granddad, the speaker of this statement. Who can read this statement? Yes, this statement, we have in this statement, Granddad said, this is a time travel phone. This is a time travel phone. This statement is said by Granddad. Granddad, the speaker of this statement. This statement quoted exactly from its speaker within quotation marks or within speech marks. When we have a statement within speech marks, so it is quoted exactly from its speaker. يعني تم اقتباسها حرفيا من قائلها, from its speaker. Okay. We can see the reporting words at the end of the statement or at the end of the question. Here we have a question. Where are we going? Where are we going? This question is asked by Robert. So Robert is the speaker of this question. Robert, the one who asks this question. Where are we going? So this question quoted exactly from its speaker, and this question within speech marks. This question within speech marks. Asked Robert is called the speaker of the question or reporting words. Reporting words. Okay. We said that we can see the reporting words in the middle of the sentence. In the middle. Let's go somewhere exciting, but it must be a safe too. Let's go somewhere exciting. Who said this statement? Who said this statement? Yes, Lucy. Lucy said, let's go somewhere exciting, but it must be a safe too. Said Lucy is reporting words, and this reporting words in the middle of the sentence. Okay. We often use said and asked as reporting words, as we have here. Said, and asked. We often use said and asked as reporting words. But we can use other words that show how someone spoke the statement, how someone spoke the statement, or how someone asked the question. How someone spoke the statement, or how someone asked the question. Shout, scream, whisper, exclaim, explain. How someone spoke the statement or how someone asked the question. Maybe by shouting or by screaming or by whispering or by exclaiming or by explain.